Hello, my name is Guadalupe Arteaga Avendaño. I will tell you about my prediction of the year 2021. What will 2021 be like? I think it will be a year like the previous, where we will have to continue with class online. We will not be able to leave our houses still until it's safe. I think we will have to continue with the cleaning habits, and there will be new inventions that will help you to make them in a faster way, like a light of ultraviolet light inside the cell phone to kill the virus, or the new vaccine that continues. I think I think that by mid-2021 we will have to go back to school, but in small groups, and we will have more skills. With the new application, and we will be able to do work from home. Thanks for your attention.